How to change Instagram account password. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To change your Instagram account password, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. On bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find a profile icon. So tap on it. Now tap on hamburger icon located on top right hand side of your screen. And then you will see this page, settings and activity. So here tap on account center located on top of your screen. And you will see this page. So scroll down a bit. And then tap on password and security. Now on top of your screen, you will find this option, change password. So tap on it. Now here you will find all devices logged into your account. So select the account that you want to change the password. And you must remember that to change password, you should remember your current password. So you will see this kind of page. So what you need to do is enter your current password and then your new password and again retype your new password. You can also choose whether to log out of other device or not. To do this, simply make sure you are ticked marked on this option. So after doing everything, tap on change password located on bottom of your screen. And before leaving, let's play a game. Comment down your battery percentage. So this is all you need to do to change password on your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.